but sort of thinking about.
So in that sense, to actually complete my answer, I think I went off a long way. To complete your answer, do I agree with that? I also feel that there is a sense of insecurity, there is a sense of fear, there is a sense of...
more than there was
earlier?
Earlier?
Yeah, I think in the last maybe 6 months, 8 months, there has been a growing sense of despondency, I would say. I mean, when I sit at home and talk to Kiran, Kiran and I have lived all our lives in India. For the first time, Kiran says, should we move out of India? Now, that's a disastrous and very big statement for Kiran to make to me. She fears for her child, she fears for, what the atmosphere around us will be. She feels scared to open the newspapers every day. So that does indicate that there is a sense of growing disquiet. It's a sense of growing despondency. Apart from alarm, there's one part of it is alarm.
I asked him to ask you a question which is politically incorrect, and in such a happy atmosphere, I feel guilty asking it. But there's no point in pretending that what happened in Paris has nothing to do with Islam. It does. The people who did the killings had a Quran in their hand. Mm-hmm. They've done it in the name of Allah. Now, we live in a country with the second largest Muslim population on the planet. We have our own kind of Islam, which produced Ghalib and Mir, and you'd be shot dead in ISIS, if you were living in the Islamic State. So I'm just curious to know whether you think about these things. You were very eloquent about how intolerance has grown in India, which I don't agree with. I think we're as intolerant as we ever were, or as tolerant. But do you think about what we might face if Wahhabi Islam obliterates poets like, where would Ghalib be able to say, Khuda ke vaste parda naqabe se hata? Sorry, I have a very bad throat.
Yeah.
So do you think about these things? Would you like to talk about it?
No, I do think about these things. First of all, I want to disagree with you. I don't feel they were Islamic acts. A person who's holding a Quran and killing people, he may feel he's doing an Islamic act, but as a Muslim, I don't feel he's doing an Islamic act. So I want to disagree with you on that. I'm very clear that a person who's killing innocents is someone who's not is not a Muslim. As far as I'm concerned, he's not a Muslim. He may claim to be a Muslim, but we should not...
I think that's all we have time for. Thanks.
कैसी बकवास बातें कर रहे हो तुम गुलफाम हसन? और किस कौम की बात कर रहे हो तुम? तुम्हारी कौन सी कौम? बल्कि तुम्हारा ये कौम की बात करना एक ढोंग है। तुम जैसे लोग किसी के सगे नहीं होते। तुम और ये साला जिस थाली में खाता है उसी में छेद करता है। रुपयों की लालच में अपने देश को बेचने चला था हरामजादा। तुम जैसे लोग दुश्मन होते हैं सारी इंसानियत के।